Welcome to Kaliga Bazaar, where you can buy 110 volt kitchen appliances of brands like LG Ultra and Premier. We are situated in Greater Toronto area, Mississauga, where you can see and buy the products and also pick up spares if required. We also carry leading Indian non-stick cookwares, pressure cookers, which will serve your cooking requirements. The Premier Lifestyle tabletop tilting wet grinder comes with a 2 litre capacity, 200 watt motor and a high quality ABS body, a high quality rust resistant stainless steel drum. To make the batter, we need to soak rice and lentils or urad dal for 4 to 6 hours to make a smooth and soft batter. The additional feature of Premier Lifestyle tabletop tilting wet grinder is that you can pour the batter by just pressing the button, tilting the drum, and here the batter goes into the bowl. You need not lift the drum. Thank you for watching the video. You can like, share and subscribe to Kaliga Bazaar. You can also visit us at kaligabazaar.com.